Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafthelsa Vlogs. This is my premiere today. I would like to show you a product review which is a perfume, AUD perfume. This one, the name of the perfume is Joop, or in German they pronounce the J in Y. So this is Joop. Okay, this is AUD perfume. This is a branded perfume. Natural spray, this is 40 ml, a product original from Paris. Okay, yeah, fabric in Paris, this one. Okay, so most of the perfume, the branded perfume, are from Germany, from France, from Paris. So look at this, the name is Joop. Okay, or Joop. So let's unbox. So you can find this one in any perfumery shop international, because this is a branded perfume, guys. Okay, this is a ladies perfume, and I will show you the packaging. Very simple. Look, it's nothing. Okay, so to be sure that this is original, they have this one inside the packaging. And look at here, the cover, and look at the the bottle, very small like that, but this is already 40 ml. Okay, and let us open. Very smell good. The scent is very good, guys. Okay, so if you want to use the perfume to apply, I will show you how to apply the perfume professionally. Just just spray it into your finger like that. Look, and just apply it underneath of your ears. Look here, dito. Just rub it here and here and here. Okay, do not spray in your hair or in your clothes, because your clothes will have a stain. For example, these clothes, if I will spray that, the perfume will blot here and it will have a stain, and if you go outside, it will never look beautiful. Okay, so just like that. So just simply spray it into your finger and apply it like this, and you can put here in your clothes and apply it here in your here, dito, here like that, and you can rub it in your hand when you will have a shake hands, and you will smell very good smell. And if you pass by, who is this lady wearing very beautiful perfume? The smell or the scent is very mild, not very strong to the nose. So this is it. This is very affordable price. I will not tell you guys how much this, but if you are a perfume lover, you will love this smell, and you will love the price also. This is not expensive, but if you're living in Europe, of course, it is more cheaper than compared to Asian countries, because of course this is produced in Europe, in France. But if it is already um, exported to other countries, of course, the price is more higher than compared here in Europe, especially in Paris. So try to check this product from any perfumery shop and try to check the name. The name is Joop, or how you pronounce it. For us, we pronounce this one Joop in our language, because this is J. But in German, they pronounce is as the J. In German, they pronounce it as in Y, or Joop. Okay, Joop, Joop. EUD perfume. Look at, guys. So EUD perfume, original, made in Paris, France. So pag meron kang ganito, guys, Of course, elegant ladies are wearing branded perfume, even if it is small, as long as it is original EUD perfume. You know what is EUD perfume? Original, and that is long lasting fragrance. Okay, what is the difference EUD perfume and EUD toilet? Okay, so most of the EUD toilet is only just a spray, so it will expire the fragrance, not so long lasting, but compared to this EUD perfume, that it will last for how many hours or days, even if you will wash already your clothes. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this product review, perfume product review from Joop EUD perfume. This is a 40 ml. This is original, produced from France, made or fabric in France or Francia in Paris. So try to have this one, and let's and leave a comment if you find this, and if you have tried, comment down below if how much and if you like the smell. So leave the comment down below. So stay connected. I will show you more product review about perfume made in Germany or made in France, and I will see you in my next premiere. So to all of you, my dear viewers and subscribers, from the bottom of my heart, this is Rafthelsa, thanking you for joining in my premiere for my product review, and I hope to see you again in my next premiere. And God bless everyone. Keep safe always, and keep smiling even we have many problems in life. Never give up. Life must go on. So be happy and stay connected with Rafthelsa blogs. And I am just here to support everyone because I know you have supported me a lot, and I am just here to support you. And I apologize if I cannot visit directly to your channel, but I tried my best to visit each and every one of you. I know we have the same goal, and that is it. Don't forget to try this product, Joop or you. And I'm sure you will like this product and you will love it. This is a long lasting. You can use this for how many months, because you have to spray only a little bit from your finger and do it like this only. So it takes maybe how many months or years to use only one bottle of 40 ml like this. Maraming salamat, vielen Dank. बहुत शुक्रिया, Everestopoli, merci beaucoup, syukran jasilan, terima kasih, and daghan kaayong salamat sa inyong tanan.